on the Between Two Ferns, I mean, well, so there, in a nutshell, it was this. It was fun. It was different. We're in the final days before this first enrollment period lapses. So March 31st, to any of you who don't have health insurance or anyone who's watching on the web, March 31st is a date by which you have to sign up or you're not going to be able to get health insurance for the rest of this year. Enrollment period will be over. And we were trying to drive traffic to our healthcare.gov website. And so we were trying to figure out, well, what's a way? We've been doing all kinds of things. We've had celebrities tweeting on Valentine's Day, and this week is Mom Knows Best. So we have all of these moms of celebrities who are out there talking about the importance of making sure that young people get the coverage that they need, because you all think you're invincible, but you know what? Life sometimes takes a bad turn, and you don't want to be without health insurance if it does. And so, you know, Zach and the guys at Funny or Die said, well, do you think the president would ever consider doing this? And we pitched it to the president. He said, sure. And he knew he was like onto something when he said he went up for dinner maybe a week or so ago. We taped it a couple of weeks ago. So the night he had taped it, he went up to dinner, and they go around the dinner table, and everybody talks about his day. And he said, well, you know, I was in this national security meeting, or I was, you know, meeting with the prime minister of such and such country, and his daughter's eyes glazed over. And then he said, you know, and then I taped this Between Two Ferns, and both Lily and Sasha were like, you did? That's really cool, Dad. So he thought, okay, maybe the younger generation actually will pitch this. But I think what you have to do is that you have to, everything's a calculated risk. And let's face it, when you're the President of the United States, all eyes are watching you, and there are those eyes that are just hoping that you will stumble and fall. But you have to have enough confidence in your decision making, and a kind of a core passionate belief in what you decide to do. You have to have a tough skin, because everybody's going to, you know, have an opinion about it, and you have to just be willing to take the criticism along with the compliments. And you have to take the long view. And on this one, what we wanted was to drive the traffic. And so between Monday and Tuesday, the traffic on the website went up 40%. Mission accomplished. And a lot of people laughed. And that's always nice, too.